Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you a really cool yet easy flourish you can do with a regular pack of cards, okay? It's very easy to do, it's great for beginners, it's a good way to kind of rebend the cards and just very good to supplement your tricks. So here's what it looks like, okay? It's called the Dribble. Now, it's a very simple, just so simple and, kind of cool looking, flourish. And we're going to be learning how to do it. And after that, I'm also going to be teaching you the side dribble. Looks something like this. All right, now it's like a waterfall, which is pretty cool. It's really awesome. They're just about the same thing, but the waterfall is slightly different in its technique. I'm going to be showing you the dribble right now. All right. So here's how it's done. What you're going to start off is in mechanics grip. Now it looks something like this, where the pointer and the three fingers are on the side and your thumb's on the other side, okay? It's actually pretty simple. Just kind of duplicate this grip. You know what I mean? Just copy what I'm doing. And then after that, you're going to start out by releasing. You're going to pick up the whole deck, okay? Now, some people do it with just half the deck. You could practice that way. I wouldn't recommend just starting off with the entire deck. I would recommend practicing with, picking up just half. So you're basically going to start off kind of in high mechanics grip so that it's hovering above your palm like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick off, half or the whole deck. And the grip this is the way you're picking it up, and it's in this grip where the three fingers are on the top, your thumb on the back, and your pointer on the side like this. Now, there are a lot of different ways to do it. There's one way to do it like this or like that, which I can't do that. But here's how you do it. Once you get into this grip, you pick up about maybe, start off with about half or a little bit more than half. Like, don't start off with the entire deck, or how much you want to start out with, you pick that up. And then basically all that's happening is you're pressing the deck with your knuckle muscles right here. You're just flex your hand, and the deck should give a little bend. You should be able to do that. And basically, you're doing that, and then your thumb is slowly releasing the cards, okay? And your pointer, make sure that you keep your pointer on the side and all the three fingers stay in place, okay? So you're just doing pressure, and you're releasing the cards one at a time with your thumb, okay? One more time, you get into this grip, pointer on the side, thumb on the back, three fingers in the front. Pick up the whole pack or about half. You just press hard, then you release with your thumb. Once you get the hang of it, it may take a little practice, but it really is really easy. It's one of the easiest flourishes you can do. Now, here's the side dribble. To me, it's basically the same thing. It's a little cooler looking if you do it right. Um, it's kind of pretty and very smooth. But it's basically the same thing I just said, but I'll go over it again. Pretty much it's the same thing as this, what I just taught, except you're doing it on the side. But you got to be careful with how you do it. You can't pull them at you'll see. So for this, you're starting off on the side. You're picking it up the same way, okay, like so, and you're pressing once again like this, but it's a little different. Instead of your thumb this time is kind of not releasing as much pressure. The thumb isn't releasing the cards as hard as if it does this. That's kind of all that's going on. And make sure you don't do it too high when it comes to this. Like with the dribble, once you get the hang of it, you can do it really high like that. But when you do this, you just basically are releasing with your thumb on the corner there, and keeping these other fingers in place. But sometimes, whoops, I tilt the deck diagonal, and it looks kind of cool too. but here's what it looks like for to actually do it. Now if you do it like just about the exact same way as the dribble, it'll look like this, which isn't bad. But to actually do it, you just want to kind of try to keep it straight, okay? Keep it straight. Alright? Alright, guys, I hope you liked that video. That was on the dribble and the side dribble. So I really hope you liked the video. I hope you get good at that move, and I'll see you folks later.